Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the timeless beauty of the 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air, a car that perfectly captures the elegance and charm of 1960s American automobiles. Known for its sleek design, powerful performance, and comfortable ride, the Bel Air was a symbol of style and sophistication. The 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air stood out with its clean lines, signature chrome accents, and iconic grille, making it an instant classic. It was a car built for both families and car enthusiasts, offering practicality without sacrificing style. Under the hood, it came with a range of engine options, including powerful V8s that delivered smooth and reliable performance, whether you were cruising down the highway or navigating city streets. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious interior designed with comfort and attention to detail in mind. From the bench seats to the streamlined dashboard, the Bel Air offered a driving experience that felt both luxurious and practical. It's no wonder the Bel Air became a favorite among drivers looking for a car that could do it all. The 1963 Bel Air isn't just a car, it's a piece of history. It represents an era when American cars were built with pride, combining performance, style, and functionality in a way that's hard to match today. It remains a highly sought-after classic, beloved by collectors and car enthusiasts around the world. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive trends and stories. Let us know your thoughts on the 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air. Does this classic beauty hold a special place in your heart? Stay tuned for more incredible rides, and we'll see you in the next video.